Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can link PayPal account to Gcash. So first is you just have to log into your Gcash account. And of course, you have to make sure that your PayPal account is fully verified as well as your Gcash account. Okay, so once you have opened the Gcash application and then log into your account, then you just have to tap on your profile, this one at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And right here you have this my linked accounts option, so make sure to tap on this one. And since I already linked my PayPal account, so what I am going to do here first is to unlink it. So I'm just going to tap onto my linked accounts option and then select the PayPal, and I'm just going to proceed with this action. Okay, so after that, you just have to go back here, tap on your profile, tap on the my linked accounts option, and then you just have to tap on this one, and then you just have to link your account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.